Okay.
Check it out. Hey, BFF. Hey, don't you think they should bring crack back?
Yes.
You know why, right?
Why should they bring it back?
Because motherfuckers getting killed too fast off that damn fentanyl shit.
Yeah, they are. Back in the day, people were smoking crack and they lived forever.
Forever, ever.
And they were strong.
And they cut your front and back grass. They cut the front for $5. If you needed everything cut, they cut everything for like $8.
Yes.
Sad all
and
that shit.
I remember when a crackhead on tires, he came and brought me a whole brand new four set of tires.
For how much?
Well, I gave him some food. I think I gave him like $25 though. I gave him like $25.
Oh shit, that's funny.
And they was meaty tires too.
Damn. Hey, what if we had some crackhead boosters that knew how to steal food and shit like crazy?
Man.
They'll bring your ass half of the grocery store list and shit for fucking $20.
Then you ain't gotta put on Facebook, where's the orange car? Where is
Damn.
the crackhead?
Hell no. Crack is whack, but bring it back. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
Yeah, make sure y'all subscribe with no jive and everything to this new channel, Food Reviews with Al Jerome. And make sure y'all go to my original page, the Disloyal Podcast Show. Once again, it's a Disloyal Podcast Show. And don't be disloyal your whole motherfucking life, like your punk ass ex-wife. All right? Peace out in the Middle East with no hair grease and everything. And I'll see y'all at the top and everything. Once you get on top and everything, up in here. Peace.